I mean, we wouldn't have to go in if they won't let us.
And you walk down this hallway. The hallway was called the Hall of Mayors. Gary, over here and quiet. You walk down this hallway, and the hallway is called the Hall of Mayors. Okay. There is a magnificent set of curved doors in the mayor's office. You open that up, you could have gone directly into, I would call it an anteroom, that Mayor Moscone was sitting in a chair. And that's where Dan White walked and fatally shot the mayor of San Francisco.
Is the mayor in there? Could we go in for a quick shot somewhere?
This office as well has not been reconfigured because we're in a National Historic Landmark. So the paneling on the walls, the light fixtures, several of the things, Mayor Breed uses the desk of James Rolfe Jr., the first mayor who in this building, and the mayor who told the citizens of San Francisco what they needed to build was a palace, not for the king, queen, emperor, empress, lowly prince or princess, but a palace for the people. And we are sharing today the People's Palace.
Sonny Jim, didn't he kill himself?
No.
Was that not the one who killed himself?
No.
He became governor?
Yes,
Yes.
yes. And you can come out any of these. Now there's an alert, an alarm that goes off. And he came out of here and could go across. This was not here. At the time that all of this happened, there was no such thing as ADA compliance, which is the American Disabilities Act. And this was all put in during the restoration of this building. Now, if you look very carefully, you will see that this is not permanent, meaning the original flooring is beneath it. So if modern medicine ever really does wonderful, wonderful things for the disabled community, then therefore you will be able to take this all away.
And at the time, was this just a regular hallway?
No, it was a regular, if you come this way, now, all of this, not here, none of this, this is, if you look across the way, because this building has an element called a mirror image. You come this way. You can look right over, and that's the way it was. This is the way it is now.
So it was like this, but with stairs instead of a
yes,
ramp.
Stairs on both ends, just like that.
And so he would have gone down the stairs toward the Board of Supervisors?
Towards the supervisor's office, not towards the chamber.
Oh.
Okay, so if you come up here, hello. Okay, if you went to your right, that's the chamber.